Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for tax refund full guide. Start by collecting Form 1040, W-2s 1099, and deduction receipts, then choose e-file or mail. Verify your filing status and any dependents, and calculate credits versus deductions. Use direct deposit for faster refunds and double-check bank routing numbers. Keep copies of filed returns and confirmations, and note expected processing times so you know when to follow up. Preparing to file can feel overwhelming, but a clear process makes it easy and calm. Start by using tax software to import W-2 and 1099 data, then enter deductions and credits carefully. Choose direct deposit and confirm your routing and account numbers. Double-check social security numbers and birth dates, sign electronically, and submit. Save the confirmation number and a PDF copy of your return for records and any future inquiries. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. On another note, pick up Little Tree's black ice to banish stinky car odors while you tackle paperwork. It makes long refund waits a bit more pleasant. Check the description for the product link and other deals and snag one if you like. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After submission, tracking and patience are your best tools for peace of mind. Use the official refund tracker to check status updates and expected deposit dates. If you receive a notice, respond quickly with requested documents to avoid delays. Avoid amending immediately unless an error clearly affects your refund amount, and always keep organized records for at least 3 years. If issues persist, consider contacting a tax professional for next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.